This variation of sausage, biscuits, and gravy is absolutely delicious. You are going to love it. For those that don't want to mess with making biscuits, you can use canned biscuits here if you really want to. But we're going to start out with 2 cups of pancake mix or biscuit mix, self-rising flour basically. If you don't have it, just add a couple of tablespoons of baking soda to the flour mixture and make sure it's well mixed and distributed. Next, we're going to put in a stick of butter and we're going to mix it in, fork it in really good. Next, put in 2/3 cup buttermilk or regular milk. Then mix until you get a shaggy dough. Put it into flat square biscuits. Put it on a cookie sheet and add a little bit of cheese to the top. Cook for 400 degrees at 15 minutes. Next, we're going to prep some sausage here. Take about a 1/3 pound of sausage, put it in a pan, cook till done, leave any remaining oil in the pan. I'm going to put a little bit aside for a different recipe here. Then put in 3 tablespoons of butter, let it melt. Then put in 3 tablespoons of flour or the pancake biscuit mix, whatever you got. Next, once that's incorporated and you got a roux formed around your sausage, put in 1.5 cups of milk, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, season it. Low simmer boil until thick. There you go, there's your sausage gravy. Now, with the remaining 2/3 pound of sausage that we had from that roll, we're going to make it as flat as possible in a cold skillet, a big skillet. Now, the thinner this is, the better, because we want it to cook really quick so we don't get any burn marks or any part that's hard or burnt or anything like that. We're wanting this to be really tender, nice and thin, and cook really quick. And with it being extremely thin, should only take about 5 minutes on one side and a couple of minutes on the other. Now, once it starts to get cooked, cut it into 4 square sausage patties, flip during the middle like I said. Put that aside, get your biscuits ready, and we're ready to assemble. First, the biscuits, put on a bunch of sausage gravy. Next, put on your sausage patties. Top with provolone Swiss or your favorite cheese, and we're going to put this back in the oven underneath the broiler for a couple of minutes. There we go. We're going to plate, and then we're going to devour and enjoy.